I want to discover another tool which is able to create the automated solving of the meeting of structural elements.
Yeah.
And that is actually the stair layout. I think we have covered this before, but let's talk about how you can govern how the staircase meets with walls.
Yeah, the left-hand side we definitely talked about, but let's just...
The examples on the in the above, these are the statuses what I want to achieve, right? So that's
the top is the goal.
Yeah, the top is the goal, and the bottom is where we are right now.
Yeah.
So let me show you how we go from here to there. This one is something that you originate from the staircase itself. You have to open up the stair menus, the properties, and you have to go to the support tab where you can define how the staircase is going to cut the walls.
Just as in case of the slab or the...
That's right, or the roof actually. So this is where you can define. I'm just going to say that every single wall, whether above or below, are going to be cut.
Yeah.
This is not something that is done automatically. This is a transactional update of the model, so you have to click on the 3D hammer to update this. Surfaces are joined automatically, so the line is...
Yes, two different items.
The line disappears. Now, but this one on the right-hand side is a bit different story, because this is something that...
So I cannot just turn on the same setting and it solves...
No, because then it would be on the at the bottom.
So it always cuts from, the top.
That's right. So we have to find a way to profile, to give a frontal profile to this wall, which tracks this. Now, obviously, I could open up the frontal profile settings and try to offset the nodes until I meet the staircase. But here's the thing. If the staircase is curved, for instance, this would be very difficult to do and time-consuming. So this is one of those scenarios when an automated tool helps you with a complex situation. So
and actually, this is a good idea to talk about profiling, which is a very powerful
Oh, yes,
tool
definitely. Walls can be profiled for their cross-section or from frontally.
And even from the top.
Yes, even
just
from the top
in
2D or 3D. So that's the way you can use to create this organic shapes or maybe like a wave-like pattern.
Yeah.
So lots of things happen here. It's just I'm just going to show you the basics, and the rest is up to you.
Yeah.
So right-click on the wall and go with profile, and we say that we want to add a whole frontal profile. If I click on it, before I do anything, I see that there's an option called stair, which, if I click on it, allows me, as the message says, to pick a staircase which would project its profile onto the wall that I want to work with. So I just have to
like imprint of the stair.
That's right. Obviously, I can see it right now, but on the layout, it won't be visible. So I have to click on the staircase. And now if I put down the layout, I see that the staircase is nicely drawn here. So what I need to do, I have to highlight this part of the wall, which I can do point by point, which would be pretty time-consuming, or I just click that I want to have a closed loop.
Let's use a auto recognition tool.
Yes, it's like the paint bucket in those drawing applications where you just click on an encircled area, recognizes the shape, and it's automatically solved, just like that. So that's the way you can make the staircases and wall pieces interact. And that's one of those automated things which would make the design phase easier.
Yeah, one thing to highlight here is that the left-hand side, what you see is automatically regenerated anytime you make changes. I mean, when the staircase changes inclination, for example, then because the left-hand side is based on a rule setting, it automatically updates itself until the wall can reach the staircase. The right-hand side is a custom tailored drawing that you have created, so it won't automatically follow the changes when the staircase changes inclination, but you can update the profile by simply repeating this same step and then just join them together.
That's right.